The single thread strength tester. Here is a single thread strength tester working on the pendulum lever principle. This here is the clutch by means of which gauge lengths from 100 millimeters to a maximum of 500 millimeters of the test specimen can be set between the two jaws. And here are the two jaws to hold the test specimen for a strength test. The bottom jaw is driven by a screw thread spindle that can traverse at a chosen rate between 50 and 500 millimeters per minute. The top jaw is connected to a chain, which in turn is connected to the top of a pendulum. The pendulum can move over a serrated quadrant scale, and this pointer, mounted on the same pivot, moves with the pendulum during a test. A set of pawls is attached to the pendulum and the serrated quadrant in which it works. The scale is graduated to measure the yarn breaking load in two ranges. The upper one is for normal yarn and is graduated up to 2000 grams. The lower one is for stronger yarn and is up to 10 kilograms. A pointer is attached to the upper jaw for reading the specimen elongation on the elongation scale. See the catch by means of which the pointer is aligned to 0 on the load scale when the pendulum is free and at rest. And this catch below the bottom jaw is used to keep the specimen under tension at the start of a test. Now let us see how a specimen is tested. Use the traverse speed control handle to set the required traverse speed. Bring the pointers on the load and elongation scales to their respective 0 positions. Arrest the movement of the pendulum and the upper jaw by pushing down the catch. Then clamp the test specimen in between the upper and the lower jaws as shown. Now traverse the lower jaw. Note the increase in tension in the specimen causing a pull on the upper jaw and the resulting movement of the pendulum and the pointer along the load scale. See the pawls stopping both the pendulum and the pointer precisely at the point of specimen break. Note the reading of the breaking load of the test specimen on the quadrant scale. The bottom jaw is then raised back to its original position by operating this lever as shown. Usually 50 such tests are done for a single yarn test and 25 for a multiply yarn test, and the mean values of the yarn strength and elongation are computed.